Shout out to my mother, Mami Divine Geronimo.
Huh?
You are the best. You are my hero. I love you very much.
Nakaka-melt ng heart yung Mami Divine. Mami Divine. Char. Hi guys! So this is an ambush reaction. Kasi, ano na, so ayan, wala pa tayong ligo, bagong gising. Ganyan. And nasa work siya. So dito na lang tayo mag-react. Kasi nga, merong nag-challenge sa atin. Hindi na natin babanggitin yung kanyang name. Hindi na natin. Hindi naman siya nag-challenge. Pero eto kasi yung comment niya. Sabi niya, bakit wala kayong reaction kay Sarah G na sa Los Angeles si Sarah para sa karangalan? Para karangalan niya sa Billboard. Kala ko solid popsters kayo.
Wow! Talagang question yung pagiging popstar.
So shout out sa'yo.
Oh, sige.
Pasensya na kasi hindi kami masyadong nakakapag-video or nakakapag-record pag weekdays kasi nga may workshop. And then ako nag-resign, so I need to rest. So ayun nga, and nasa Los Angeles na nga si Sarah, and tignan natin kung ano yung mga ganap. So unang-una na dyan, ito, tignan mo to.
Oh my gosh! Wala, ang ganda niya dyan.
Di ba? Parang in-expect na ganun yung ano niya. Pag nakatalikod siya, tignan mo. Oh. Para siyang si Tokyo ng Money Heist. Yung naalala ko na, which is si Tokyo din yung isa sa mga cast nila na sobrang sikat ngayon sa Hollywood.
Napaka
it's iconic. Regal. Maano ka dyan sa Regal. So ayan, di ba? Ang Hollywood, like, oh my gosh.
Like, super level up.
Di ba?
Tapos the hair, the back,
ang galing ng glam team niya.
The gown. Para
Like,
siyang yung wet look ni Kardashian.
It's so on point na, my gosh. Grabe naman tong setup ng reaction natin. Palike naman guys, effort to ha. So ayan, ito na yung last na napanood natin for now. Ito. Papanoorin natin ang kanyang Billboard interview.
We're here with the beautiful Sarah Geronimo, and we're watching him.
Geronimo!
I didn't get the memo. Lily, next time we gotta do our thing. Oh, you're beautiful.
Parang siyang
and you're
naka-skims.
talented.
Yung skims bang
Aren't
tawag
we all
doon?
talented?
Oh my God.
Yung sa kinaano nga, yung Kardashian.
This is girl power, you guys. And you are the Global Force recipient today. What does that mean for you to have this impact on such a global scale?
I mean, it's very unexpected. I mean, to be considered a global force. And for me, a global force means having that influence, that power to influence people. And it also comes with a big responsibility, right? You have to be mindful about...
Very Pageant, bigyan ng corona yan!
Hindi nakakayak, ang ganda nung katawan niya, ang tone, yung braso niya.
Yung parang,
it's a force talaga.
The materials that you put out there. So you have to create change and positivity towards other people. So,
I mean, speaking of change, so this is not just any night. This is not any music night. This is women in music.
women in music.
We're all about the women here. So how does it feel to be at an event that is specifically championing and highlighting women?
I mean, women are beautiful, women are strong, and now that I am married, I understand how marriage can be difficult sometimes. And
her husband's right over there, so this is all the more entertaining for those of you who don't know.
Men are beautiful as well. I mean,
She
the way they manage, they cope up with, everything that goes on with our minds as women.
Yan yung yan yung interview na kung ano lang siya, hindi siya showbiz.
Kumbaga, wala siyang yung flowery words na kailangang i-memorize, na kailangan ganito yung sasabihin.
Parang ganito tayo, diba? Walang ligo, ganyan. Kasi naman, bakit naman kasi?
I also would like to salute men, no? On how they take care of us women. But women, especially mothers out there, shout out to my mother, Mami Divine Geronimo. You are the best. You are my hero. I love you very much. I mean, I cannot imagine myself being a mother. All the sacrifices that a mother has to do for their child. It's mind-blowing. Are you a mother, man?
No, I hope one day.
Well, actually, I don't want to bring this up. I do have a dog. So I get it.
Nakakaano yun, nakaka-melt ng heart yung Mami Divine. Char.
I feel Sarah na parang this is super mind-blowing para sa kanya na parang sobrang overwhelming na ganyan na ang daming nagra-run sa utak niya kasi sobrang laki talaga yung kakagulat.
As in?
Oo.
Char.
Reaction, di ba?
I feel like it's similar.
Well, thank you so much, Sarah. It's such an honor. Thank you. Have a great.
I'm truly honored to be here to represent our country and our music. The Filipino music, mabuhay ang OPM!
Shout out Philippines! Shout
Yeah.
out Philippines!
Yes!
Alam mo ba, yung kahapon din, gusto
Alam, umiyak ka?
alam, for the char, hindi. Kahapon din, parang nanonood ako ng Showtime yung sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Parang nag-flashback lang nung nanonood ako yung number 3 na contestant, sabi niya, ang bayan kong Pilipina. Parang sobrang nakakaiyak yun. Kasi parang, di ba, yung tayo din yung after nating mag-abroad, yun talaga yung goal natin. Dapat umuwi na tayo ng Pilipinas tapos hindi tayo nawawala ng pag-asa sa Pilipinas. Just like Sarah, kung how she represents the Philippines.
Oh, grabe. Nagbabakal ka na.
Hindi kasi parang,
Ano yan?
diba, feeling ko naman, marami siyang she can be someone na nandun na pero mas pinipili niya yung dito siya. Di ba, for sure, way back years ago, marami siyang offers na she can be on a musical na parang sa international.
Worldwide.
Yung ganun. Pero mas pinili niya na siya yung Sarah Geronimo na nire-represent yung OPM.
Sa Philippines. Ako naman, siguro ang realization, nung nakaraan kasi may nabasa ko na parang, basta si Gordon sa Ang is Filipino-Canadian, tapos parang ang daming nag-post na Ang is a Filipino-Canadian, tapos parang may nag-post na parang so much na yung pagkahanap ng Filipino ng validation global. Ganyan. So parang ang issue ko dun okay naman na parang i-claim natin, pero sometimes parang
just let
too much.
Parang hayaan na lang natin na magkaroon ng representation.
Oo. Hayaan lang natin. Oo, na hindi pinipilit. Much recognized pero hindi pinilit. While on the other hand, meron tayong mga homegrown talents na talagang total global
yung
trendsetter.
Global force.
Global forces like Sarah Geronimo. Talaga namang hindi na natin kailangan ipa-validate sa outside the Philippines na tayo ay internationally
world-class
gifted
talent.
and talented.
So, yun lang guys. And, we're just so happy and proud na tawagin tayong Pops. Gano'n yung heart ko parang. Yung parang
Popster kayo, di ba?
So, ayan. And, yan na guys. Thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kami sa ating video for today. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Share din na rin. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much. Nakaslouch ako kasi pag umupo kang maayos, ganyan bibig lang yung kita.
Yung ilong lang kita.
Ilong lang kita. So, ayan. So, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us. See you on the next video. Bye!